Hey, you guys got this fire alarm? You guys head downstairs. Do not use the elevator. Yes. Please listen to the artificial sound at this point.
They're tired.
Your attention, please. The fire alarm has been activated.
Dude sent me upstairs. He said everything's cool.
No, I called downstairs. They said it's fine.
Alright,
It's a
cool.
false alarm.
Alright, good deal, good deal, good deal. Guys ready?
We're ready for like.
I know you guys are ready for a lot more than a fire alarm. I understand that much. I read you. What is this shit?
Don't work.
You can't come and see your room.
Oh,
You got the wrong room.
817.
No, you can't.
817.
They won't let you in.
It is.
Fire
You're right.
Fire
You're correct. You're correct. You're actually correct.